Close your eyes and see the sun. A new day is dawning. A new day has begun. Release the wounded warrior. Uncover your precious gold. Let go of the feelings you held back so long ago. It's never too late to open your heart and let someone love you just the way you are. But love's a light that's born from a place deep inside. Each and every one of us must learn to shine our own light. Hold on to forever, as long as you can. Don't let something precious slip right through your hands. If there's something you want, you've got to reach from within. But keep yourself open so you can let it back in. Open your eyes and meet your destiny. Without a warning, it shall appear to thee. Could be round the corner, could be right in front of you, could be there locked away inside.